Welcome to the Hund and Cat. Oh, here's the grieving dog. Candy store. Wishing well. And I want to show you what's going on out here today. Every Saturday apparently.